in tomorrow's show. And you know what, too? That shows a lot of faith from QVC that they would put me on air solo, knowing everything that's going to happen in tomorrow's show and not spilling the beans. Whew, that's a lot of trust. Hey, let's dive into the world of Temp-tations. And this is the set of 2 nested bamboo bowls. I own these. I love these, and I cannot believe they're now a clearance price. So you're getting these 2. Here are your 2 sizes. The small bowl is 6 inches by 6 inches, and the larger bowl is 10 inches by 10 inches. But listen, that's made from bamboo. Isn't that the coolest thing? Now, wait a minute. You get both. Yes, you can nest them down for storage, but I use them all the time. Yes, they are top rack dishwasher safe. We're going to discuss, but first I want to show you the options that you have to place your order. So I have 500 remaining in confetti, and just to point out, here you're getting that classic pattern where you see the floral lace and the old world, 2 popular patterns represented in one. So here's confetti. We have 500 remaining. Ooh, patriotic is the one that I own, and we have about 300 of those left to go around. Here is garden. 5 dozen. Look, wait, if you hang there for a second, you've got dragonflies and ladybugs and hummingbirds there. They're so cute. Okay. Aw, thanks, you guys. Then we have palm, green palm, 400 left there. We do have gray, and there are 350 left. We do have nautical, 150 left. You've got sea turtles and seahorses. It's so cute. And then finally blue. We have 400 to go around. Now, there is no reorder, and this is your spring and summer entertaining do-it-all duo, and they're less than $20 today. So grab them while you can. It's H225726. Lisa Lasort is coming in to talk to us all about them. And as we're celebrating 20 years with Temp-tations this year. And my very first purchase with QVC was from Temp-tations. And I have Temp-tations all over my home. And Lisa, I've got to say, I love these bowls. They are so cool.
Mary, they weigh nothing, right? Like you can throw them up in the air. It's not stoneware. You guys, this is our summer line that we call bamboo. It's only available at this time of the year. This one we are retiring because we got to make room for the new, but there's something about these lightweight bowls. And by the way, they're great for outdoors as well as indoors, and 2 great sizes. You get a small and a large. And by the way, I can't believe we have garden available because that and patriotic fly out the door immediately, right?
Totally. And this capacity too, I mean, I've used, I think I have them in garden and patriotic now that I think about it. But you know what? The capacity, you could use these for salads, entrees and sides and so much more.
Yeah, like I have 10 pounds of potato salad in here.
Ooh, wow.
10 pounds of potato salad. Here's what's so great about bamboo. It's lightweight. It's dishwasher safe on the top rack. It's super easy to clean. And by the way, Mary, notice how that background color is bright white.
Yes.
So the pattern pops right off of there. I love that. It's great for spring and summer, but honestly, these are great for all year round, especially if you have grandchildren and you don't want things to break. Ooh. When these fall on the floor, nothing happens. Isn't that wonderful?
You. That's heavenly. Because we've all had that moment. You know what? But when you say 10 pounds of potato salad, girl, are you having a workout over there?
See, I know, Mary. See, like, again, if you just want to go like this, you're fine. Mary, I used to be I used to be a waitress in college, so I used to carry a lot more than this. So I'm good with doing this. But here's what's great about a 10-pound capacity. You don't want actually this bowl to be heavy, right? Because all this weighs now is what I put in it. So from 10 pounds of potato salad, but fill it up with your chips, right? And they're super lightweight. And then you can do things like chips and salsa when you want to do outdoor entertaining and entertaining, because you have that smaller one for the salsa or the guac, the larger one for the chips. These have so many uses. They're just phenomenal. Look how pretty.
What you got? Is that Tara's guacamole?
This is Tara's garlicky guacamole right
So
here.
good.
Yeah, and look at the pattern. Like all you have to do is pick your favorite color, indoors or outdoors, and these are just those really versatile pieces. I love them, and the fact that bamboo can go in the dishwasher is just amazing.
Yeah, I mean, I use these. I
Yeah.
love using them out on the deck. I love using them when we're entertaining. I have this island in my kitchen, and there's a Lazy Susan right in the middle, and I pop these full of foods, bread, dips, all kinds of things. And then when everybody
Yeah.
goes home, you just pop them in that top rack of the dishwasher. This choice in front
Yeah.
of me is called confetti. Now, we also have patriotic. That's where you get a little red, white, and blue, but that is the most popular right now. There are 250 remaining. We also have, there's the confetti. That's the one in front of me. Ooh, the garden. There are only 4 dozen remaining in that garden.
Mm-hmm.
Green palm. I have 350 remaining. We have gray. I have how many? 350. And then I have nautical. 125. And finally blue. There are 375. By the way, my line producer and I have been working together for like 150 years. And I love him. And we communicate in the same way, Lisa, as Lisa knows, because she's worked with us for years too. And Jonathan said in my ear, I said, how many remaining in that one? And he said, 1, 2, 350. And I was like, what? So we got it. You know what? But the point is, they're going quickly, so you don't want to miss out on getting these home. So I love the fact that they match the bamboo trays so beautifully too.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Look, so we had 4 items on today, all on clearance, and they all match back, especially those seasonal patterns, only available at this time of the year. So definitely don't miss out. These are a must-have in any kitchen.
Thank you for bringing them to the show today, Lisa. It was so good to see you.
Bye, Mare.
Bye, honey. Thank you. You know what? These